Hi, so just a quick update. You might have seen my previous video on this group, Online Translation and Interpretation Jobs, and basically how it's full of scams and how I looked at one of the scams and basically showed how the person posting it was a scammer. Well, guess what? My only activity in this group has been trying to warn people that they're being scammed by scammers, and now I've been kicked out of the group. Here, if I go under here, if I look, wait, what was the name? Translation and Interpretation. Translation and Interpretation. I was a member of the group, but now it doesn't even pop up. And I know it still exists because if I use another profile of mine, say this one, and then I go to Translation and Interpretation, there we go. I am a member of this group here. So the funny thing is, obviously I was kicked out. The other profile of mine was kicked out. This one is still a member, probably because they don't know that it's run by the same person. But yeah, so trying to warn people about this got me kicked out. I don't really care too much, but it's sort of insane that they're letting all these people post these obvious scams. And, these poor people are interested in, they keep saying they're interested in it, and they're all going to get scammed. But as soon as I try to warn anyone about it, here, I like this one. Registration fee 0, welcome bonus 80, daily earnings 300. And, everyone's saying they're interested. By all means, if you want to go here and click and say you're interested and let me know if it works out for you. But I try to warn people and I get kicked out. Unfortunately, that's the way it is. So anyway, I think this whole group is a scam. It's probably run by half of these scammers too. So there you go.